looking at the waves from the Environmental Center and Animas High School's Snowdown Parade float last year.
And this just shows a beautiful part of our planet, the oceans. And we also get to appreciate it since we will not see it at a Snowdown parade this year.
And I'm Sarah. I'm one of the co-facilitators for Indivisible Durango's Climate and Environment Committee.
Hi, and I'm Gail, the other co-facilitator for our Durango Environment Climate Committee. And what do? We advocate. We advocate on the local, state, and federal levels for policies that will protect our environment and also for solutions to climate change and against policies that are going to worsen or quicken climate change. What can you do? Well, the very first thing you can do is vote. Vote, vote. Ask your friends, ask your family, get everyone, person in the grocery store to vote. And why is voting important? Because democracy is a solution to our climate crisis. And by voting, that's how our democracy works. It doesn't work if we don't vote. The other thing that you can do is to talk to family and friends and tell them why you're concerned about climate and tell them what you do to help reduce your greenhouse gas emissions. And Sarah's going to talk to you about that.
First thing you can do is consume less. Shop at the thrift stores. Don't buy new things, borrow them and rent them. Commit to the principles of refuse, reduce, reuse, refill, and recycle. And let's not give up the plastic battle just yet. Second one, save energy. Ride your bike, ride the trolley, take the bus. Unplug your TV, your stereo, your computer when you're not using them. Put in energy efficient light bulbs. Wash your clothes in cold water. Don't use hot water unless you absolutely have to have it. And hang dry your clothes instead of the dryer. Eat a planet-stable diet. Don't waste food. We are tossing out a ton of food. Support your local ag and eat a plant-based diet. Fourth one, support your local youth and climate movements. And the fifth one is get involved in Indivisible Durango.
How can you get involved in what do we do? We write calls to action, CTAs, that about different issues. We've been involved with trying to get greenhouse gas emission goals for the city and for them to be very aggressive on those goals and to use more renewable energy and to have more energy efficient buildings. The other thing we're advocating for is that La Plata Electric use more renewable energy to provide us electricity. What can you do? Come join us and advocate for policies that will make our world livable for future generations.